Meanwhile, a failed bomb attack on Brazil's Supreme Court is being probed as a terrorist act, with possible links to last year's uprising against President Luiz Inácio Lula da Silva. Now, the federal police chief André Rodríguez has said that the explosions are being investigated as an act of terrorism and a violent attack on the democratic rule of law. He also warned that this is not an isolated act and the extremists are active in the country.
We still do not know the motivation for the crime. We are working, as I said, with these hypotheses of a terrorist action, but also of an action for the violent abolition of the democratic rule of law.
CCTV footage showed the moment a man killed himself in a blast outside the Supreme Court in Brasilia. He is believed to be the sole perpetrator of the attack. The police identified him as 59-year-old Francisco Wanderlei Luiz, a former city council candidate from the ex-president Jair Bolsonaro's right-wing party. Police Chief Rodríguez said that the suicide bomber used artisanal but highly lethal explosives, expressing concerns about the potential effects that could have occurred. According to the police, the evidence found in the house of the suicide bomber points to a direct connection between Wednesday's attack in Brasilia and a January 8, 2023 riot against institutions. Additional explosives were found in Luiz's rented residence, which were detonated with a bomb disposal robot. Meanwhile, the Supreme Court Justice Alexander de Moraes has said that the suicide bomber had intended to blow up the building. Moraes is among the Supreme Court justices targeted with threats for overseeing investigations into Bolsonaro's and his supporters. For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.